Alright guys, today we are doing a Palomar knot. This is for kind of beginners. We're going to be using red yarn with a key ring. And what you want to do is make a really big loop. Shove it through, underneath, over top, and then you want to go through that loop, and then after that you'll want to go over your whole entire hook and pull tight, and that is the Palomar knot. Pretty easy, pretty simple. The sturdiness on it is pretty good. I use the improved clinch knot, but for some of my heavier lures, I like to use the Palomar knot. It seems a little more secure. And then just don't forget to cut your tag off. And then, like I said, bada bing, bada boom. If you guys liked this video, please think about commenting, subscribing, sharing. I'm a newer YouTuber, but I would love for my videos to get out, help share some knowledge with the upcoming season coming. But I appreciate it, guys. See you in the next video.